world of motorcycling is an alluring realm of adventure, freedom, and a distinct connection to the open road. For novice riders taking their first steps into this exhilarating world, selecting the right motorcycle is a momentous decision. The Yamaha YZF R3, celebrated for its affordability, balanced performance, and beginner-friendly features, emerges as a stellar choice for aspiring riders on a budget. With its accessible power, sporty aesthetics, and rider-centric attributes, the YZF R3 provides an ideal platform for beginners to commence their journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration without stretching their finances. Affordable performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Yamaha YZF R3 lies a refined 321cc parallel twin engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of riding without burdening their budget. Sporty design and dynamic aesthetics. The YZF R3 boasts a sporty design that encapsulates Yamaha sport bike heritage. Its dynamic lines, sleek fairings, and aggressive styling elements embody a blend of sportiness and style that appeals to riders seeking an adrenaline rush. Aspiring riders not only embrace the thrill of riding but also connect with the YZF R3's sporty spirit. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. Despite its sporty demeanor, the YZF 3 South African Rand is thoughtfully designed for rider comfort. It offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures comfort during both short rides and extended journeys. The well-positioned handlebars, comfortable seat, and footpeg placement contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and agile performance. The Yamaha YZF 3 South African Rand is celebrated for its responsive handling and agile maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and nimble characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, twisty roads, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is paramount for beginner riders, and the YZF R3 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in aspiring riders as they develop their riding skills. Urban adventures and beyond. The YZF R3's versatility extends beyond city commutes. Aspiring riders can seamlessly transition between urban escapades and weekend rides, all while enjoying the motorcycle's sporty and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Yamaha brand create a welcoming community that embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the road and the YZF R3 sport bike attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Yamaha YZF R3 encourages skill development as aspiring riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Budget-friendly long-term riding. The YZF R3 isn't just an affordable entry-level choice, it's a reliable companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its budget-friendly price, manageable maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can enjoy the YZF R3 for years to come. Conclusion. The Yamaha YZF R3 exemplifies Yamaha's commitment to providing an affordable and thrilling introduction to the world of motorcycling for aspiring riders. With its accessible performance, sporty design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the YZF R3 offers an immersive gateway to the joy of riding without straining one's finances. By choosing a Yamaha YZF R3 as their first motorcycle, aspiring riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sportiness, affordability, and the exhilaration of conquering the open road on two wheels.